Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. If this is your first time, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a tour of the garri plant, where garri is transformed from this cassava, this raw state, to this state. This state. This is one of the final products of cassava. Like I said, one of the final product of cassava, which is garri, and there are two types: the yellow and the white garri. The white and the yellow, whichever one you want, you buy. So this is a cassava plant or cassava farm. This is how a cassava farm looks like. So before we move on to the plant where the garri is made, I'm just going to give you guys a little story of how the garri is made from the scratch. So after your cassava has been harvested, you peel. After you peel, you cut them into bits, into pieces, and then you soak. The purpose of soaking is for it to become soft, for the machine to grind, and also for it to ferment in the process. So if you want to make cassava flour from this cassava, so after this fermentation, you can still go and dry it and then you store it away. Then when you want to make your cassava flour, you just take a little out of it, then you grind, and then you turn it. You use hot water to make your cassava fufu or cassava flour. So moving on to the garri plant where the garri is made, this is a machine that grinds the cassava after you must have soaked for days. So you bring your cassava to the plant, to the machine, and then they pour all of this cassava into this machine from this point right here, and then when the machine is turning, is grinding the cassava in the process. You stop them there, and then it comes out through this opening right here. So after grinding, the garri is packed into the bag and then kept for days. Like that, the one I'm pointing to right now is kept for days, just like this, for it to ferment the more. So after fermentation, they still pack it, and then we're heading to where they still pack it and then put under this particular machine that people turn. There's a way they turn it in circular motion. As they turn it, this wood presses against the bags of garri or the bag of grounded cassava, and then it helps. The purpose of this is to help drain out all the water from the cassava, because before you fry, you want the cassava not to have as much water as possible. So he's just showing me that after fermentation, after this stage, then it goes all the way to the other side where they take out the remaining water from the garri. You can see how wet that place is. That's the draining, as in the water is draining. It's coming down, and then at this time now they have drained out the water. So when they resume tomorrow, it's just to fry. So we're moving on to where they fry. So they make fire under a non-sticky frying pan, just like this, and then they fry. You can see garri, the white cassava all over the mouth of the frying pan. This is the garri he's showing me right now. So this is a non-sticky frying pan. So they just basically make fire under it, and then they fry. You just pour the grounded fermented cassava over it. This is a more large frying pan. They just pour it here and then they fry. They just pour the grounded cassava here and then they turn. They just keep turning with a very big large spatula. Turn, and then it dries the remaining water that is left in the. So I'm just showing you a much closer look of how the local fire is made, or how the oven, I don't know, whatever. This is how it's being done. There's fire under the frying pan, and then you use a spatula to turn. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. you.